This tutorial how to confirmation email in WordPress with Elementor Pro. Let's start. So this is my form, and first name, last name, phone number, email address, and tracking number. So first of all, click action after submit and add section, click plus icon and click email to. Okay, then click email to. This is your email to section. Okay, click on form field and email address, advance, and copy shortcut and click email to paste it. Okay. Then copy this text and paste it message field. Okay, then dear this section, first name, advance, and copy shortcut. Then mail to dear, paste shortcut. Then with triggered email support. Copy your email, copy and paste. Okay, then base triggers your company name, base trigger your company name. Then email, so paste your email. Then metadata, add time plus page URL. Also you can remote IP and credit. Okay, okay, publish it, then fill this tracking number. Okay, send it. Your submission was successful. Then your email and this. Okay, thank you.